Hello, hello, hello. Good morning to everybody. Hello, hello, hello. Can you hear me? Hello, it is audible? Yeah. In a previous class, we are starting our one DML command, merge statement. So now here, DML command means insert, update, delete, you have an idea. Now here, but bench I am not telling only because alias names and also joins. Some knowledge is required. That's why merge is a DML command which is used to transfer data from source table into target table. Where the what is source table, target table, there's data warehousing technology side. Historical data is there, and dimensional tables, fact tables are there. In that case, data transportation side, they are using a what merge statement. Okay, that's what data warehousing technology side regularly they are using a what this concept. Actually, through the merge statement, at a time we are performing updation and insertion operation. Now that's why this is also called as upset statement. Merge into target table name using source table name on joining condition. When matched, then update statement. When not matched, then insert statement. But this update and insert, how you are remembering means yesterday I'm telling you one technique. What is that one? Newcomer means concentrate here. Actually, insert statement is there. Insert into is a clause is there. Again, update statement means normal update statement means update a table name, set is there. But whatever normal regularly used insert and update statement, after insert whatever keyword is there, you want after insert whatever immediate keyword is there, that is remove it. After update whatever immediate keyword is there, that is removed, either table, either keyword, anything. Now here this one we have to remove it. That's why insert table name like this only into is not there. Again, update set is there. Okay, yes, here that is the way you are remembering means better. That's why in a previous class I'm telling you what that syntax. Now today we are applying when matched then update statement, when not matched then insert statement. Yesterday that understandable purpose. Okay, you are creating your own table also, not a problem. But so now here simple table I'm taking only. Now here check it out. What is that one? DEPT table I'm taking, for example. Okay, easiness purpose. Tell a star from DEPT is a table. Now here, yes, here, this is I am assuming only target table. This is a what? A target table. This is a target table. For example, this is a target table. DEPT table is a target table. I am assuming only. Now here one source table is there. For example, select star from DEPT, yes, is a source table, for example. Okay, fine. The source means so much of data is there or not. What is my requirement? Here, when matched, then update statement. When not matched, then insert statement. What is the meaning of this one? Here, anything is matching. Suppose 30-30 is matching, 20-20 matching something. Whenever matched is there, update the target table data based on source table. Source is a sales is there. Here, target is XYZ is there. This when updated a what? Here, source table data says like this. XYZ can be modified into where? Sales. Now here, whenever not matched means here, okay, so array value is not there, one is not there. That's why not matching only. Whenever not matched, then this data is transferred into where? In a joining condition, transferred into where? In a target table. That is called insert. Transfer means insert statement. Now I am applying what practically this merge statement. And now don't write it only. Here merge, okay, don't write it here. Merge into target table name, DEPT I am assuming, but we must create a alias name. Whenever we are using a what merge statement, whenever we are using a what correlated subquery. So now whenever we are using a self joins, compulsory we must create a table alias names, otherwise it won't work. Merge into target table name using yesterday anybody attending means using source table name. Observe here. Source DEPT, yes. Here, yes, I am giving, for example. Now here, yes. Okay, anything. Okay, fine. On joining condition, in a joining condition. But here I am using a what D dot department number is equal to yes dot department number I am giving. In anything, your own wish. Now here, when project side based on which column they are decided only. Because number data type column I am using here. When matched, then here update statement, update table name is not there, set target table column is D dot D name is equal to S dot D name. Again here D dot location is equal to S dot location. I am not using a what department number by means I will tell you, don't worry. First observe it here. When not matched, then here insert statement, insert into is not there, no, yes, insert Here target table column values d dot department number comma d dot d name comma d dot location like this. Here values, here s dot DEPT number comma s dot d name comma s dot location like this. This is the way they are using only. Observe here. 5 rows are matched or not? Yes. Now really that is correct or not, I want to check. Select a star from here. What is the table? Target table DEPT. In this DEPT, XYZ is converted into sales or not? Yes, here. And also no record 1 AB, it will be transferred or not? Yes, so many operations, so many data, but just roughly we are telling only. But unfortunately, this merge statement regularly, you are not writing each and every time in a project side. Whatever modifications are required, that one we are using. Why? Because these merge statement in a PLSQL procedures are there actually. Create or replace here procedure is a concept is there in a PLSQL. You are familiar in a feature. Now here is, here begin. Here only they are writing a what merge statement like this. Whatever merge is there, that merge statement, yes, each and every time the big construction they are not writing in a project side. Just here they are copying a what that merge statement they are putting in a where stored procedure is a concept is there. In that stored procedure, just they are using a what that merge statement. Whenever they are using like this means automatically that is saved. And now here don't write it. Just observe here. This is the way they are writing only. And now here check it out. So now here procedure they are using in a project side. And now procedure is created. Whenever necessary, that procedure they are executing. Suppose today I want to transfer the data means exec procedure name they are calling internally that merge statement is executed. Otherwise, every Monday, every Sunday, okay, every Monday, 10 o'clock AM, that one I want to execute means yes, DBMS underscore scheduler as a package is there in a PLSQL in 11G onwards. Otherwise, old and days. So now here, yes. Always DBMS underscore job is package is there in that one old and days before 11G. That procedure we are passing on 2 underscore date through their time setting means automatically in that interval automatically executed. That is administrator using only. That much of powerful. But unfortunately, SQL said that much of knowledge is not there. Directly, I am creating a what? This merge statement only. Through this one, I am telling a what? Yes, here delete statement, can we use it or not? Otherwise, okay, some other rules are there. Those all the things I will tell you. Okay, yes, here. Now, this procedure and all these things not required for you. Now here example, how can I am creating only just otherwise your tables also created, not a problem. Here I am using a what? Select star from DEPT is a table, small table I'm taking. This is a target table. We are assumptioning target table, for example. Now here source table means so much of data is required. No, that's why I'm copying a table practice purpose. Create a table, new table name DEPTS source table as select star from target DEPT. Here we are inserting data, we are modifying your own wish. Insert into table name DEPTS values. Here 1 AB yesterday we are inserting or not? Yes, here like this. Now now we are using a what here? Go to SQL prompt, select star from here DPTS. This is source table. I'm assumptioning only source table. Your understandable purpose. Project said big tables they're giving. Don't worry. Direct merge statement like this only I'm writing. But here some rules are there. That rules I will tell you, and the 10G new feature also I will tell you. Fastly write it. This one. Example. Google you are referring means your own tables also possible. This is easiness purpose table I'm not creating. Example, right? Only syntax remembering is difficult, but conceptually nothing. Fast write it. Completed. Past. In a joining condition. Completed. 5 rows are. But one drawback is there in a merge statement. Drawback in the sense in a data warehousing side, that is key column based only, we cannot update. That is there. Suppose you are observing or not here in this update statement, update set d.d name. D name I'm using, location I'm using. You are observing or not, a DEPT number I'm not using. Why I'm not using means observed here. Whenever one rule is there, whenever we are trying to modify join conditional column, join condition means on clause, join conditional column through the merge statement impossible. That is a drawback only. Drawback in the sense in a data warehousing project said one key column based only they are transferring. In that case, that key column we cannot modify only. That is a rule is there. That based only they are giving it this restriction, I think. Suppose really that is correct or not, check it out. Suppose here this is a merge statement is there. Slowly observe it here. Now this is a merge statement is there. I'm changing roughly, slowly observe here. Now here, that's why if you want all the data we are transferring, in that case only better to go for PLSQL cursor or index per table. Some concepts is there in a PLSQL. This is only warehousing side. Suppose I try to use d dot DEPT number is equal to s dot DEPT number like this. Okay, yes here. Hello. Now it is visible. Hello, hello, hello. Now screen is visible. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, 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 hello. Now screen is visible. Power is gone. That's why. Okay, so now you're not a problem. Now here, check it out. Okay, it is audible now. Yeah. So now observe it here. Whenever we are using a what here, this is an update statement is there. In that case, d dot department number is equal to s dot department number. I'm using, for example. Now I try to execute this one. It won't work. It will give us a what error. Observe here. This rule is there. Columns referenced in the on clause cannot be updated. Impossible. Except joining conditional columns in on clause, we can update all the columns possible. Only joining conditional columns we cannot update. There is no chance, only that one through the match statement. Write a note. Write a note. Through the match statement. Through the merge statement. Through the merge statement, we cannot update. We cannot update on clause columns. On clause columns. Through the merge statement, we cannot update on clause columns. Now one popular entry question is there. What is the entry question? Means FAQ, very, very, very important. One is syntax. They are asking two questions only. Another one is, can we use a delete statement in a where in your merge statement entry you're asking? Yes, possible. That is Oracle 10G onwards possible. 10.2 onwards. 10G is a version is there. In that version onwards, a delete statement also possible. That is different syntax actually. Delete from those type of things are not there. Delete where condition is there. That where condition we are using in an update statement. Now check it out. Screen observe it here. We can also use a what? A delete statement within a where update statement only. I will tell you. Now here, yes, here. That is here delete. Now here check it out. Here delete where condition. Same like a normal where condition is there. No select statement. From is not there here. I will tell you where d dot dept number is equal to 10. But unfortunately primary key is there. I'm deleting only. Don't worry. Now here, yes, here. Now check it out. Yes, here. Now integrity constraint child record found or not? Why? Because that is master table, child table. You have an idea. DEPT table. No, that I am dropping only. Then you are understandable. Alter table name DEPT drop primary key cascade. I'm writing only. Whenever we are using this one, primary key also dropped and also related foreign key also dropped or not? Yes, here. Now in this case only, just here I am writing a what? That delete where condition. What happened? Observe it here. Here delete. So now here I'm using a what? A delete. So now here where d dot dept number is equal to 10. Okay, for example. We can also use along with update statement, delete statement in a Oracle 10G onwards. That I will tell you that syntaxes and all these things. Whenever we are delete statement, they are giving me is that is a historical data. Yes, here it is not deleted. Target table data, it will deleted. What is this one means? Only delete statement works in a way target table data. Suppose here. Now check it out. This is a table is there. Select star from DEPT is a target table. Yes, in a target table data 10 is deleted or not? But source table data will not be deleted. Now check it out. Select the star from here. DEPT yes is there or not? Yes, here. Just source table data will not be deleted. Okay, now that's why we can also use a what? A delete statement along with update statement within a major statement only. But that delete statement only deletes a what? A target table data, not a source table data. Okay, na? Yes, here. That is a write another note. Write a note. Is entry question this one. Oracle 10G onwards. Write it. Oracle 10G. Oracle 10G onwards. We can also use delete statement within merge statement, within merge statement, which is used to delete, which is used to delete target table data, target table data only. Project said that requirement is there, used, which is used to delete target table data only. Okay, na? Now next para it. Here delete statement must be used along with update statement only, update statement only by using following syntax, only update statement alone. Syntax, write it. Syntax. Already full syntax I am not writing. Already you know when matched, then here update set target table column name is equal to source table column name, like this, any number of columns. After that one, delete from is not there, where condition is a target table. Okay, na? This one, write it. This is important question. This is helpful in a very warehousing project side, data warehousing technology. Okay, na? Finished fast. This theory, write it. Now example, write it. This example, write it. From is not there, delete from is not there, delete where condition is there directly. Same like a select where condition is there, not that one. This where condition is a target table condition. Only this is a 10G onwards, it will be there in a where, in a delete statement. Okay, you update along with the delete statement only there. Just delete where condition underline it. Okay, na? This outputs are also right. Your target table only, the data is not there. Completed. Finished. Finished this one fast. Just you have to take a snap and for target table data deleted through the delete statement. This is a new concept. But merge syntax, so many fellows are asking, don't afraid only merge into target table name using source table name on joining condition. When matched, then update statement. When not matched, then insert statement. Update come insert statement. At a time we are performing operation, that is data warehousing side helpful. That's why anybody learning a courses, ETL courses, calendar, Advocate, TabView, PickView, so no reporting tools, and also so no Informatica olden days tool only ETL tool. The data stage is olden days tool. This type of interviews attending me is merge statement. So many people are asking, but nowadays normal PLSQL developer side also merge they're asking. Merge into where delete means there is a new concept in a 10G onwards. Okay, now next last SQL sub language commands, that is called transaction control language. Through this one logs we are telling you. Okay, write it fastly. Next heading, transaction control language is important. Transaction control language. This is TCL. Transaction control language. TCL. Very important, very interesting. Transaction control language. Main heading. Next chapter. Transaction control language. Side heading, transaction. Transaction. What is the transaction means? Nothing is there. Actually, suppose you are going to bank means just here you are withdrawing your money. In that case, update statement, that one. Update table name bank only. Now here is set balance is equal to balance. So now so the deposit means balance, withdraw means, so now here balance minus amount only. Okay. So now here otherwise the deposit means again another update statement only. Bank like this only, set balance is equal to balance plus amount, where condition like this. These set of statements are also called as transaction. Set of DML statements which is used to perform such a particular task is called transaction. It is a logical unit of work. In between 2 points is called transaction. Otherwise, set of statements are used to solve a particular task is also called as transaction. Set of statement means what? DML statement, not a DDL. Insert, update, delete, like this. Okay. Yes. Write it fastly. Transaction. It is a logical unit of work. Standard definition. It is a logical unit of work. It is a logical unit of work in between 2 points. In between 2 points. 2 points is called a transaction. Transaction. Or right. Another definition also there in our database. Or set of statements. Set of statements are used to. Set of statement means DMS statement. Set of statements are used to solve particular task is also called as transaction. Is also called as transaction. Write it next para. All relational databases having two types of all relational database having two types of transactional command. Two types of transactional commands. What are that one? Anybody have an idea? Very good. One is commit. Another one is what? Very good. Not a rollback. Save point. So rollback means undo the transaction. That is important. Write it. These are first one, commit. Second one, very important, save point. Second one, save point. Second one, save point. Fastly write it. Side heading, commit. Commit most powerful. Commit means save, no. Already in a first initial demo classes, I am telling only this is a memory area. This is a what? So now hard disk only. Now whenever we are using the commit means new value for the transaction permanently stored in a hard disk, I am telling, or not, data files only. That is called commit. So now here, yes, rollback means undo the transaction from memory only. Simple. Commit. Write it. This command is used to. This command is used to save the transactions. Save the transactions. Permanently into database. In a database. Now, DDL commands means automatically committed. No, write it. In all relational databases. In all relational databases, by default, all DDL commands are automatically committed. Automatically committed. Okay, up to this one, you have an idea or not? That's why I'm not explaining. Now onwards, very, very, very important. So many fellows that doesn't know what happening in a database side. That's why so many fellows are mistaken. Now, very interesting. So now onwards, concentrate here. Most powerful. Up to this one, I'm not explaining because all the things you have an idea. Now check it out. Concentrate. I am taking a one scenario, through that one you are only telling. Suppose this is a table is there. Now check it out. Very, very interesting. Anybody telling correct answer means great. That's why database diagram knowledge is required. Suppose here this is a table is there. Don't write it. Create table, table name, test. Okay, fine. Come to how much powerful. Now you are understandable. S number, number like this. Now I try to insert a data. Insert into what is the table name? Test only values like this. Now ampersand S number. Why classes are important means this type of purpose only. Today, how much powerful you are understandable. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, for example, this is a data is there. Okay, na? Yes, here 1, 2, 3. Any data is there. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4. Any data is there. Now this is a table is there. Slowly observe here. Recently, I'm creating a table. I'm inserting a data. What is the data is there? 1, 2, 3, 4 is a data is there. Screen observe it. My table test is a table. 1, 2, 3, 4 is a data is there. Now I try to use a what? A delete statement or update statement. I try to delete these all 4 rows. What happened? Observe here. Delete from test. Delete from test. Yes, here test table data I'm deleting. 4 rows are deleted. Now here how many rows are there? Select a star from test like this. Now I'm not giving a commit only. Now I want to get it back this data. Possible or not possible? Anybody guess it? Yes, we can get it back the data. How can I? How can I? Anybody guess it? First initial demo classes, you have an idea means which one? Roll back. Roll back means undo the transaction from memory. So now here this is the diagram today. I'm telling only, don't worry. This is undo the transaction from memory only. That is nothing but a what? Roll back. Okay, na? Roll back. Whenever we are using a what? A rollback means yes. Now I am typing a what? A select a star from test is a table. Now how many rows are retrieved? First 2 rows are 3 or which one? 4. Only one thing is correct. Fast. 1, 2, 3 or 1, 2, 3, 4 or which was son of here 1 only. Only one thing is correct. Fast. Very good. In our class, everyone telling a what? 4 rows only. Absolutely wrong one. That's why that is the beauty of the database. That's why classes are required. You are learning your own way means what is the problem? These type of problems you are facing. And now here it won't work. It will give a what? A message, no rows selected. What is this one? I am also here also thinking, oh, nothing is there. It will be retrieved the what? All the 4 rows we are thinking generally. But no rows selected is a what? Message it will be displayed. Very, very, very important. That's why in intelligent fellows in interviews, pen and paper side, they are creating their table. They're inserting, you are observing or not, they're checking only. Then immediately, yes, my data I'm deleting only. I want to get it back the data. How can I? They're asking. Everyone telling a rollback means rejected. Immediately rejected. Oh, you are not working in a company side. Otherwise, minimum knowledge is not there. Easily they are identified. Now here in this case, no rows selected. Observe here. Yes, here. No rows selected. What is this one? Rollback I'm using also. Everyone knows rollback means get it back the data, but unfortunately no rows selected. Why means reason is there. What is the reason behind that one means you are observing or not here. This is a table is there or not. Whenever we are inserting a what data in this table data, I am not saving. You are observing or not. I am not giving any commit. Before we are using a rollback the transactions in any database in the worldwide, compulsory at least one time save the transaction in a hard disk. That is a rule. That is so many fellows are doesn't know. Suppose here this is a Oracle server. Observe here, Oracle server. Whenever Oracle server is there, SQL server is there, DB2 server is there, 2 parts are there. One is what? A bottom part in a hard disk. In a hard disk, only data files, control files, read log files are there. In that data files only, your DDL commands, that is what? Create tables are available. Hard disk. Okay, fine. Here, now first initial demo classes I am telling or not. This is a what? Memory area. This is an instance or RAM memory area. Now here some files are there. Now here check it out. These are the data files. .dbf files are there. Operating system files only. .dbf, .ctl, .log files are there. .dbf files. This is a DB concept. Now here .dbf files means data files only. Now here check it out. Slowly observe here. Yes, here this is a memory area. This is a memory area. This is a database buffer cache is there. Okay, fine. Database buffer cache. In our Oracle side, this is a DBF database buffer cache is there. Database buffer cache. Okay, some memory area. Don't worry. In this one, two parts are there here. Okay, so now here undo area here like this only. And now this area is called dirty reader. This area is called what? Undo area only. Now here say this is a new value, this is a old value only. But unfortunately, yes, whenever anybody using a rollback means old value is transferred into where new value place. But before we are performing a rollback compulsory, the table at least one time is storing in a where, in a permanently storing in a where, in your table data permanently saved in a where, in a hard disk. Otherwise, it won't work. So that's why this is a test table data is storing in a where here, then only that is reading a data. Here, this is a test table. This data is available. At least one time the data is available permanently in a hard disk. Whenever the data is available, then only select star from table name is control goes to where here the table is not there. That control goes to where next only this one only here. This is read the data from the where table into where your memory area. So now here memory area. Then only this data is written into where yes client tool. Then only we are performing operation here. We are performing operation means deleted data is stored in a where in a old buffer. Then I'm using a what a rollback means so now automatically undo the transaction from memory into where this one. That's why before we are storing before we are performing a rollback in the transaction compulsory we must at least one time commit the transaction into hard disk. That is most powerful. This is so many fellows are doesn't have an idea. That's why commit is very important in this case. Compulsory save the table transaction at least one time in a disk only. Then only we are reading a data. Then only we are performing a what a rollback is working. That is most powerful. That's why here I'm creating a table. You are observing or not creating a table. I'm inserting a data here, but I'm not giving a commit. That is my problem. That's why I'm not telling about that concept only commit. Commit I'm not giving only. Blindly I'm inserting a what data, but we are deleting a data. Yes, here they deleted data does not store in a where in a question of in that area undo area when we are not reading the data only. That's why rollback we are using also no use. Select star from table name here no row selected. That's why at least one time committed. Now observe it here. Now I'm dropping a table. Drop table name test. Now correctly working. What is that one? Yes, observe it here. Yes. Now check it out. Create table. Now here test only. Here S number is a column is there. Every database, not only Oracle. Now S number like this. This is so many values that doesn't know. So now insert into name, table name, test value. That's why practical knowledge is required. Ampersand S number. Here 1, here 2, here 3, anything. Now I'm giving a what commit. Commit I'm giving. Oh, maybe at least one time save in a where hard disk. Commit. That's why very important. Before we are using a rollbacks today or in a future, database administration concept is there. Flashback queries we are using means compulsory the committing data is important. Now here check it out commit. Now the data is there in a where in a hard disk only. Here test like this 1, 2, 3 like this. Now we are performing an operation insert update delete. Now not a problem. Yes, rollback is correctly working. Once it will be reading the data from the hard disk into where in a memory area save data. Now here then we are performing operations delete from what is the table name is there test that deleted data stored in a where now in a undo area only. Now check it out in a table the data is not there. Select star from test. Now I try to use a rollback. I want to get it back the data from the where. So now here memory, yes, possible. Rollback means undo the transaction from memory. Now old data is transferred from old buffer into where, undo area into where, dirty reader only. Then automatically working. Now check it out. Select star from what is the table? Test working. And now here rollback is working now or not. That's why before we are performing a what a rollbacking operations undo the transactions compulsory that the table data at least one time committed in a where in a hard disk. That is important. Data committed. Otherwise, rollbacks are not working only. Very important. That's why commit means not a DDL command side. This one side most powerful. Okay, na? Yes. Now here write it some theory. Write a note. Note write it. In all relational databases, before we are performing roll back, then the table data must be committed. Committed means saved, no, at least one time. Committed and also, committed and then only server is reading data from reading that table data from hard disk into memory area. Okay, na? This example you are writing means easily you are understandable. In a database, you have to check it out, not only Oracle, MySQL, also SQL Server, also DB2, also like. That's why so many fellows are inserting about data, then they are using about rollback in my system not working. So now here, yes, they're asking Murli, sir, my system is not working, my system is a problem or not. Tell me, they're asking, your system is not a problem, you are only problem. And now there is a problem. Okay, yeah. So now that at least one time committing the transaction, you have an idea, then automatically get it. Write in this one example. Here everyone underline it, commit. Arvind Kumar guessing your first only, very good. Correct. Commit, underline. Remaining you have an idea, no? Commit after this one you have an idea. Okay. Then rollback means undo the transaction from memory working. And then only save point and also another rollback to save point name. Those all the things under logs only. Tomorrow I will tell you. That is better. Tomorrow I will tell you remaining. You have to connect to PLS. Okay, tomorrow we'll continue. Thank you. PLS is there. Yeah.